Testing. This is the audio test here. Just testing if the microphone works. Hello, this is just another test. Just another test on the microphone. This is just a microphone test with a little bit of echoes in there. Yellow. This is a headset test, I think. Yeah, this is definitely just a headset test. Holy nuts. This is an echo test. Greetings, citizens. Get ready for new day. So, yeah, this is just a continuation of the mic test. I'm wearing headsets and I have a mic, which is good and a godsend because I no longer had to record my audio voice work on this. Let's get this over with, okay? So, this is just once again another mic test. I just want to make sure if I can hear myself just dandy. No, that's not a good word to use. How about clear? No. Let's start redo that sentence. I'm just checking to see if my audio quality is good enough. I'm just gonna mess around with the microphone just a little bit, do some more testing, and just listen to myself looking at the webcam I'm supposed to do earlier. Wow, that actually sounds hilarious. Fat. Let's just tone down the echoes because I don't need another echo. Well, I'm just gonna add a little. Yeah, pretty much like that. As for this, back up, just to turn on the volume. What this mic is that I can turn up the echoes and the volume itself. The echo, well, it's self-explanatory, and the volume, when I'm wearing headsets, I can hear myself listen to it, what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep practicing on the mic test. Ta-ta.